Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Kraken account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up quickly. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Go to the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or the Account Settings option. Look for the Security tab in the menu. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Security section, find the option for two-factor authentication and click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will typically have the option to use an authentication app like Google Authenticator or receive SMS codes. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts. Step 5. Complete the setup. Follow the instructions provided to link your 2FA method to your account. Make sure to save any backup codes provided in case you lose access to your authentication method. Now your Kraken account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Always remember to keep your authentication method safe and secure.